Hey everybody, I'm Joe from Joe Pro Deco, and I'm just going to show you some equipment that I use on a hall stairs and landing. So if you're a pro decorator, you should already have the gear, you should already know how to tackle these situations. But what I'm doing is I'm posting this video just to help more the DIYers out there, so they've got an idea how to tackle a hall stairs and landing. And of course you need the equipment. This is the basic equipment, and I will mention some of the other bits you could possibly use also. But while I'm on this job, I will show you exactly what I'm using. So I'm on this hall stairs and landing, and one of the most important pieces of equipment is ladders. Now I have numerous sets of ladders, all different shapes and sizes, to tackle all different types of work. Now obviously in the trade you've got to have all the different ladders because you've got to be prepared. This set of ladders here is one of my most used sets of ladders. They are very, very handy. I think the 2 meters, when they're folded, it's basically an extension ladder and a stair ladder in one, and also a step ladder, so you can actually use it 3 ways. So I'm going to show you how to do a hall stairs and landing and get the high ceilings. Some of you probably wonder how it's doable and how you cut in, etc. So anyway, I'm going to show you a little tool that comes in very handy also. So this is one particular way. So obviously they fold out, fully extended, which means I can cut in the left hand wall, the right hand wall, and the wall facing. I can cut them in, I can do the coving with brush, and then I can use an extending pole to roll the tops of the ceiling. Now obviously with high areas you need a very long extension pole, as well as the standard size that we use in most rooms. So the ladders also are stair ladders, so I will show you. So now we have these set up as a stair ladder. So as you can see, it's the third rung from the top of the ladder is folded in to this bracket here, this hinge, and it's nice and secure. Now as you can see at the bottom, both lengths aren't level, which is why you don't fold it on the very top like you would if it was a step ladder, because that would be level. You actually make it uneven so you can go with the slope of the stairs. So that's them steps set up. Now what you can do there is you can get that half of the wall cutting in, and then obviously what I showed you previously up against the wall does that area. So now I'm going to show you on very, very large hall stairs and landing, you sometimes miss a bit somewhere there in the middle where you cannot reach, and you should never overstretch on a ladder, on the top of a ladder. So I'll show you the setup now to get into. Here we have it. The ladders are fully extended, and as you can see, the ladder will get you into the middle, the bits that you miss on the ladder position here and the ladder position over there. So that's all angles covered on the high ceiling. But I'll show you how this is done, because obviously you can't turn the ladders that way because you've got steps. So here we have this contraption here, which as you can see is called a stairmate. Now these are absolutely fantastic. See, I may only ever need to use this say 2 or 3 times a year, but it's well worth the money because it's going to last forever. I mean, it's a solid build, it's adjustable, and it gets you out of tricky situations. And this can obviously be moved up and down the steps to wherever is comfortable or wherever you need it to be. It's solid. Once it's in there, it's completely solid. Now, how this works is this folds into one piece. It's really, really easy. So you open it out, you lock it into position, as you can see in there, and it's totally secure. And then what you do is you have this bit there that comes inside, and you simply just slide that in, and it just stops that being able to tip over. so it's secure in every way. So there you have it. That's pretty much all the equipment you need to tackle a hall stairs and landing. And what I'll show you on other videos is different methods, i.e. using a platform which runs from here all the way across up to another set of ladders on the other wall. So that is basically a set of ladders fully extended up onto the wall, the platform extended over to another set of ladders here or onto the floor depending on the height, and then you can just walk up and down freely, and that's very handy for doing wallpapering jobs. So I will show you that on another video. So I hope this helps everybody. Any questions, please ask. If you need the make and model of the ladders, I can find that out for you, sizes, etc. So if you like this video and it's been useful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be putting a lot more videos on in the future, and you can have a good look through the ones I've already got. So everybody take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. Bye everybody.